In this lesson, we're going to dive into a very practical tool, the JPEG Artifacts Removal Neural Filter in Photoshop. If you've ever received or worked with a photo that's heavily compressed, has pixelation or blocky color bands, those telltale signs of JPEG compression, this filter helps you clean up those artifacts using AI, making your image look sharper and more professional. In this image, you can see that the edges look a bit blurry and unclear. We can easily fix this issue using the Artifacts Removal Neural Filter. Once you enable the filter, Photoshop automatically enhances the image and removes unwanted compression or blur. Now take a look at the before and after. You can clearly see a noticeable improvement in the sharpness and clarity of the image. This filter gives you three strength options: low, medium, and high. The choice depends on your image quality. For slightly blurry or lightly compressed images, use low or medium strength. And for heavily pixelated or low quality images, high strength usually gives the best result. Try different values to see which one works best, and once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the changes. The JPEG Artifacts Removal Neural Filter is a useful tool for cleaning up compression artifacts, especially blockiness, color banding, and edge fuzziness in heavily compressed JPEG images. Remember, this filter doesn't replace good capture or original RAW files, but when you're working with compromised images, it can save a lot of cleanup time.